Slidey.
Slidey. Okay, so here you can see we have an ice cream machine here. So for our ice cream machine, we are going to be using 3 cylinders: cylinder A, cylinder B, cylinder C. So for cylinder A, we'll be using a double solenoid. For cylinder B, we'll also be using a double solenoid. And for the cylinder C, we'll be using a single solenoid. So how are the connections? So for normally open for cylinder A, it's going to be normally open for both of them. It's going to be going to 01 and 02. And the com will be taking place at 34 volts. Whereas for cylinder B, same thing will be happening but just different number inputs. Normally open for both will be going to 01, 02, 03, 03 and 04 for cylinder B. And for the last one, will be going to 05 and 06. And the cons will be 24 volts. And for our solenoids, this since this is the one that extends, this will be going to output 00 and it will go to output 01. And for this one also, this is the one that this solenoid is the one that extends, so this one will be going to output 02, and the other one that retracts will be going to output 03. And since this is a single solenoid, it only has one output, so we're going to be placing it to output 04. So now, and to start this function, we're going to be using a capacitive sensor, which goes to ground, 24 volts, and this one goes to input 00. So now I'll be showing you how exactly this function works. As you can see from the PLC, we use the counter, which we have used ladder diagram, and for our whole function we use the SFC. And now I'll be showing you how this works. Just let me reset it. Okay, already. Now, and I forgot to also talk about how we have added a speed control, where it's a supply air throttle so that this will come out slowly for the cone to be placed. Now I'll show you the whole process. 5 seconds delay for the ice cream and sprinkles, and the whole thing will count it 2 times. Ice cream, sprinkles.